This is a fantastic sign from your angels that good things are on the way for you. Despite the fact that things might be a little hazy right now due to what's happening, you must understand that everything is in its right place. Being in the right place at the right time is divinely ordained. You are progressing where you ought to be progressing, and you are moving ahead in the right direction. You are receiving more strength from the divine to enable you to get past any obstacles that may stand in your way. They simply want you to continue working toward your end goal because you are so close to achieving it now. This is the best time to get up and never give up. Things will soon get better for you every day. Remove your stress and worries because they will never help you achieve your goals. You must have faith in order to pursue your goals. You can think of yourself as a creative person. You may not recognize it in yourself, but your angels know exactly what you are good at if you focus on what you are passionate about. In this season, you are also emerging emotionally stable. No matter how many people or situations try to access you, they are blocked from doing so. You already possess the strength to let only good things affect you. You don't have time for drama, or things that are too far away to be of any use to your success. God is telling you that He will demonstrate to you today just how beautiful life can be. Stay calm through the storms because the best days are here. Everything you need is already in front of you. All you need to do is get ready to receive it. You will be rewarded for your trust and faith in me. The significant blessings and abundance that will be showered upon you will astound you. This is your assurance that you have emerged from the darkness and managed to enter the light. You will rejoice over the wonderful present I have for you. Get ready because the love of your life and your desires are closer than you might think. It is coming after miracles and after. The excitement level is rising as time passes. Remain in prayer. The universe is always watching out for you and guiding you.